Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This tutorial is over our pattern Joong-Gun Hyung. In this tutorial, we'll be working with the second merit of a good pattern, which is power. That everything we're doing with sufficient power to make it effective. Now, often that means accelerating quickly into a skill. If I'm doing, say, a lunge punch here, for the punch to be powerful, it needs to move quickly. This is fine if I want to focus on proper technique. The mechanics are perfectly correct. When I want power, it has to move more quickly. Power makes my good technique, my proper technique, effective. Proper technique allows me to control that power so that I can put it where I need it, when I need it, so they work together. So as we work with Joong-Gun in this tutorial, we'll be going a bit more quickly. Now, that said, not all skills generate power in the same way. In Joong-Gun, we're going to see this, the twin pressing palm heels. These are not about fast acceleration to create power. This is about a focused pushing moment of my arms moving past each other. So we will see that as well. So let's work this together. Again, we'll go through this by my count, working with power. Joong-B, Joong-Gun, my count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, go. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000. 1, 2. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000. 1, 2, go. Hey! Back to ready. Right. That is Joong-Gun Hyung, working with the second merit of good pattern, which is power.